Yeah, what was your name? I forgot your name and I told you to change your name, beta. Yes. Fatima, if possible, tomorrow please change your name so I can call out your name properly, beta. So, Malkani Fatima, right? Malkani Fatima, your question is, beta, that when Chanakya came to help Chandragupta, what first he asked to do? What did he ask the king to do first? Your voice is not clear. Do you know the answer or you don't know? No problem, beta. Now listen to me carefully. When someone is answering, please cover whatever you don't know. Nida Rajani.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nida, your question is, what did Chanakya ask to do first to the king? Huh? What did Chanakya ask to Chandragupta to do first? Who knows this answer? Raise the hand. Okay, Saima.
Yes, sir. When Chandragupta, when Chanakya came and Chanakya said that please first complete your meal, then we will discuss about it.
Okay, will you please explain what is the meaning of meal?
It's main dinner.
Yeah, the dinner, the food, whatever is served is meal. Okay. So that is what is he asked first. Now I think we stopped there. Yes, we need to continue.
Yes, sir.
I am going to display the book, and I asked Saima and Irina to remember where we have stopped. Right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Irina, tell me where have we stopped?
On a full stop.
Oh, there are many full stops in the sentences. So shall I count every full stop is done? Give me proper address.
We stopped it to the Chanakya asked to the king to please eat hot rice plate, and king said no, and then king eat that.
Okay, let me start it from here. Now, Chandragupta thought that now Chanakya will not change the decision. So, you know what happened, girls? Chandragupta started eating the rice. Okay, I will turn on the camera and I will try to explain you properly because I want to show the gestures. Mm. Girls, one question to you. We already have read the lesson, okay? Now, is it okay if I directly explain you what happened at last? Like, if I explain you the story?
If you
Sir.
ask you, you explain in this picture, it is also possible. But either you can do like that in the anything else.
Yeah, because you know the climax is such that I have to show my face and hands and I have to show you the gestures if I want to
Yes,
explain it to you.
that is the fine way.
Okay, then I will turn on the camera and here the camera is. I will try to make the screen bigger. Okay, I hope you are able to see me, girls.
Yes, sir.
Now, girls, just imagine, I know this is a piece of paper, but okay, I'll turn it upside down. This is the plate of hot rice. I know it is not round, but plates can be square also in the hotel. Okay. Now, this is the plate of hot rice. Okay. So, when Acharya Chanakya asked King Chandragupta to eat, Chandragupta was not ready. Again, Chanakya asked, if you will eat the rice, I have one good plan. I will only give you the plan once if you will finish the
Meal.
meal. And what was there in the meal? What was served in the plate?
The hot rice.
Exactly. Now you have to remember the word hot rice. Rice are just served. You know the smoke comes out from the hot rice. It is very, you cannot touch. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, one more question, just to relate you with the story. How many of you don't use spoon? You use your hands to eat. How many of
Sir,
you eat with the
I
hands?
use my hand.
I means what? What is your name?
Yeshwani Fatima Zahra. I use my
Okay.
hands and
I
there
also
I use
use
spoon.
my hand.
Sir, me also.
Okay.
Sir, I am Hariu. I am Hariu.
Done. Everyone. Okay, everyone. Almost everyone. But your sir does not know how to eat. When I start eating with my hand, everything goes down in the hand. You know, dal, curry, everything goes. So I don't eat. I use spoon. Leave that. Now here, imagine that I am Chandragupta. I am King Chandragupta.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. This is the plate of hot rice.
You tell that to image, that's why.
Can I speak? Okay. So this is a plate of hot rice. Now the rice is served. When Chanakya said to Chandragupta, King, please eat the rice quickly. I have one wonderful plan. Chandragupta was happy. Chandragupta started eating. But for the first time, when Chandragupta touched the rice was very hot. He kept again because the fingers got burned. Fingers felt very hot. He picked up and kept it again because it was very hot. He was not able to touch. Now what do you think? Will he able to eat? No, it is very difficult to eat because it's very hot. Now Chanakya gave one idea. Chanakya, who was standing there, he gave one idea to the king. That instead of touching the rice from the center, you can eat the rice from the edges. Edges means corners. Are you understanding? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So Chanakya said to King Chandragupta that Chandragupta, Your Majesty, please don't eat the rice from the center. Eat from the corner, from the edges. Edges is the word used in the lesson. Please eat it from the edges. Please mute your mic. Girls, mute your mic. You are breaking my link. You are breaking my link. Please mute your mic. If you want to explain the lesson, you explain it. Ma'am, it is my request, ma'am or sir, whoever is there, remove this girl whose mic is on. Remove and never add in my English lecture, please. If they cannot obey the instructions, I don't want them to get in my lecture. Now, the rice in the center are joined, so they don't get cool. But the rice on the corner, on the edges, they are scattered, they are spread. so they get cool easily because of the air. So Chanakya said, King, instead of eating the rice from the center, you can eat it from the corner first and slowly you go in the center. By the time you will reach in the center, they also will be cool. This is the idea he gave. So Chandragupta said, okay, as you say, Acharya. So Chandragupta started eating the rice. Slowly when he came in the center of the plate, the rice were cool. He was able to finish the dinner. So after finishing the dinner, Chandragupta, after washing the hands, Chandragupta said like this, now Acharya, give me the plan. How can I win the battle? So Chanakya said, Your Majesty, King, I already gave you the plan. Now Chandragupta said, no, don't do any kind of cheating. You asked me to eat the rice, I completed the rice, now you give me the plan. How can you say that you have given me the plan? Now, Chanakya said, did you observe the hot rice plate? Like you ate the rice from the corner and slowly you ate it from the center. Similarly, when you go for a fight, when you go for the battle, don't attack from the center. You should attack the enemy where their weak point is there, where the less number of soldiers are standing, and slowly you should go to the strong points, to the strongholds. This way you can win the battle easily. So girls, did you understand what was the plan?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Okay. Now, I will give you time, girls, I will give you time to read these last paragraphs. Now don't read loudly, read it in your mind. I will give you the time and then I will ask you the question after 2 minutes exactly. But please don't turn on the mic because my screen will not be visible then. So read these 2 paragraphs and then I'll ask you the questions. Read it in your mind. Turn off the mic, sit properly and read it clearly.
Done.
Done.
Please don't speak anything. Okay. Now I would like to ask the questions. Yes, the last one paragraph is left, but still that is not as important as the main part of the story is. So, now keep your hands down. Don't raise your hands without any reason, please. Okay. Now, the question to Zainab Mahua Wala. Who is this?
Sir, me.
Zainab Mahua Wala, you have raised your hand.
Yes.
What happened? Why
Yes,
did you
sir.
raise your hand here? Why did you raise your hand, beta? Why are you turning on the camera?
Okay.
I think she did not understand my language. Okay. Then please mute your mic. Thank you. Zainab Bojani.
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
My name is Bojani Insia Fatima Muhammad Raza.
Inse Fatima. Tell me, what did Chanakya ask king to do?
Chanakya asked to king, please hot rice eat. I have beautiful plan.
Wonderful plan. Okay. Thank you for answering. Your answer is correct. Sakina Imran Abbas Bhimani.
Yes, sir.
Is your name Sakina or something else?
Sir, your voice is cutting.
Sakina Bhimani.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me, what happened when Chandragupta tried to eat the rice?
It was hot.
But then what happened? If it was hot, what will happen if you will touch the hot plate of rice?
It was so hot.
We will feel hot in the fingers, in the hands, and we will burn our fingers, right?
Yes.
Okay. Next question to Fatima Zahra Keshwani.
Yes, sir.
Your question is, at last, when he was not able to eat the rice, Chandragupta was not able to eat the rice, what did Chanakya suggest him to do so that he can eat it easily?
Chandragupta was not able to eat the rice, and Acharya means Chanakya tell to Chandragupta the king that eat in the corners, not in the center, because in the center it is hot, and in the corner edges it's not hot, and you will eat edges, then it will be you will come in the center.
Okay,
And
starting from the edges, if you will come into the center, it will be easier for you to eat. Fine. Next question to
yes,
Saima.
Yes, sir.
At last, how the plate of hot rice gave the plan of winning the battle?
That when you are going for fighting, you have to you have to go first in the edges, the weak points of the army. Then go on the strongholds, so you can win the battle.
Correct. Okay. So, students, now we have 10 more minutes. Now, I will request any one girl to explain the story in her own words because your speaking skills, I think, should also be improved. So, who wants to explain the story in their own words?
Sir, can I Keshwari Fatima Zahra?
Sure, you can.
From first?
Yes, but make it quickly so I can give chance to at least two or three girls.
Okay. First of all, and the fourth uh, century BCE, during the reign of the first Maya Emperor Chandragupta, and lived in a man named Chanakya. Many also knew him as Kautila or Vishugupta. He was an acharya and economics, and it is believed to the author of
Arthashastra.
Arthashastra, a study on economic policies. Then he is also the chief advisor to the king. Chanakya was very clever and said to when is said to help Chandragupta Maurya ascend the throne. The empire trust Chandragupta. The empire trust him and also looked up to him for help and guidance.
You
Once
are reading
after,
each and every line. No, beta, you have to explain the story in your own words in short.
okay, then the Chandragupta suffering in a major defeat. Then the Chandragupta was very depressed. It was means depressed means sad. He thought long and hard about the enemy could defeat and not found solution. Finally, he summoned that Chanakya and asked him to advise how to be victorious. Then Chanakya looked for a moment, means looked for a moment and suddenly said, like Acharya said, have your need before we discuss this matter. Then Chandragupta said, no, I don't want to eat. I am angry. I am feeling humility at the buffet. I am not hungry. Then Chanakya looked at Chandragupta family and first, I promise you that we will find the way. Be patient. Then the Chanakya would not budge and Chandragupta decided to eat quickly. The moment he put his finger into the plate and the rice was very hot, the hot rice. Then, uh, then Chanakya said, finish it fast. I have thought a wonderful plan. Then the rice was so hot and the Chandragupta was it difficult to even pick the rice. Let alone it. This is the then Chandragupta said that this is so hot. How could I eat? He he burnt his fingers and mouth also. Then this while Chanakya was quietly observing Chandragupta eat. He suddenly suggests, why don't you eat the rice from the edges instead in the digging it from the center? He asked that why are not eating in the edges? Why are and if you eat in the edges, I said now only that edges when it will be center. The Chandragupta tried this and found the rice at the side much cooler than easier to eat. The empire was able to eat the rice fast when after finishing the dinner. Chandragupta tell that finally set down the decision. Chandragupta was impatiently. Sir, I have doubt.
Yes.
What is the meaning of impatiently? Means
Impatient. Now, for that, you need to know the meaning of patient. Now, patient does not mean doctor and patient. That patient is different. This patient means you can wait, sabr. Impatient means you cannot wait.
Yes. Okay. Acharya, now tell me your plan. And you have deleted it long enough. How we can defeat my enemy army of soldiers? Then Chanakya looked at him and said, I have already told you how to defeat enemy army. Your Majesty, Chanakya looked puzzled and asked to Chanakya that you told me nothing. What is the answer to my question? Then Janakya smiled and said, the best way to defeat your army is you to study them carefully. Means the best way to defeat my army, so I have to study them. I will study them carefully. He said. Then fight their weak points means so whoever is the weak soldier find them and attack them there and attack first them.
Right.
Do not try
Yes.
to defeat. Do not try to defeat by attacking their strong soul hold. Means I will first defeat to my weak soldier. Weak soldier. Then I will defeat in the stronghold. Right, right at the start. Begin with the weak areas and then proceed towards the strong areas. Then you will start the strong area just like you did with the rice. Let's say you have done with the rice like that. First you have eaten the cooler, then you eat the heat one like that. First you have ate the rice from the edges, then you will move towards the center. If you straight it
Okay.
is right.
Okay. So this means that because the hot plate of the rice gave the wonderful plan, that is the reason why the title of the story is The Hot Plate of Rice. Girls, all the girls, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that is different thing, and also I should say that if you don't eat, that will not make you victorious. In fact, you should never insult the food. That is also what we can learn from the story. That you should never disrespect the food whichever is served in your plate. Mom, I don't like to eat this. Make this for me or else I will not eat. You blackmail them. That is very wrong. Whatever she cooks, she really wants you to eat and be healthy. Never fight with your mom like this because she knows what is the best for you. So that is also the thing what we can learn, that if you will keep insulting the food, nothing will happen. You should eat and then you should think about the plan. And this way, Chanakya again helped Chandragupta, like he always used to help him in every situation, every difficult situation.
Hi, Bushra, madam.
Please tell who is Sheikh Fatima.
Sheikh Fatima is આપણે ગ્રુપ બનાવવાના હતા, આપણે વાત થઈ કે શું છે એનો?
કાલે મારી મેમ સાથે વાત તો થઈ હતી. એ કીધું કે જ્યારે હશે ને
હા, મેં મારે વાત કરે. હા, ફાતિમા હવે જીકે નો લેક્ચર છે ને?
નહીં
કે
હવે
પહેલે ગુજરાતી લેજે. રેકોર્ડિંગ સ્ટાર્ટ છે. ખબર છે. ગુજરાત કેટલો વાત થાય તો ના ચાલ્યા હશે તું ને.
કયો પીડીએફ છે?
જીકે છે પણ જીકે નથી, ગુજરાતી લે હે. જીકે છે. બુશરા દેખાતા હાલમાં કે પૂરો આલિયા કે દેખાર
તું નીચાચી મને તું નીચાચી મારી વિન
ના ઇનર દેખાડ દો કોઈ આય નહીં તો સર
ના તું
બધા
નીચાચી
એનજી બા ને બધા નારી બીગીને ને મેં ફ્રેન્ડ છું કે મેં ભેણ છી
તો જે ભેર થાય તો જે ભેણજી ભેણ નો થાય.
હા એટલે મેન છે
No.
Keep quiet and don't open the video because the recording is starting. It's starting, not stop.
ઓકે સોરી ऐसा कि रिकॉर्डिंग जी खबर नहीं ना कि छोकरी ने थी आप लोग बातें मत करो रिकॉर्डिंग चालू है नहीं तो आपको खिंचाएंगे अच्छा ओके सॉरी रिकॉर्डिंग चालू
ફાતિમા તાર મમ્મી અંદર વાત ન કર.
ए हाँ बोले विसल
બતા તું વિડિયો ટન
ना ना नहीं देखा नहीं तूने आलिया के नहीं देखा रे ना तो मुंगे रिकॉर्ड चालू है What happened, Bushra? तो मैं 2 मिनट नीचे बनाती
અચતન
हाँ हाँ 34 આલુ માં કે નાલા ચાતે તો કે નાલા ને આલુ માં લાગે છે આલુ ના તો ઘરે પહોંચી વિશે પૂરો 2 મિનિટ ઈડાવી બુશરા સંતારીને ખબર જ હોય ગેલેરી મેં સંતારી છે
પછી સુધી રેકોર્ડિંગ ચાલુ છે.
એ હા હજી
माइक बंद कर। साड़ी तरफ फोटो देखा
આયશા તું એ જોઈ
मैम थी जैसे बुशरा